Brandon D. Daniels. Do you understand what today is? Do you know what's going to happen today? You're going to be a changed man. You see, you're going to walk into a boiler room. A sniper in the dark. You're going to walk into the boiler room. An IC champ. You're going to walk into a boiler room. A Hall of Famer. You're going to walk into that boiler room. A husband. A father. A GM. And if I let you crawl out that boiler room, you won't be half those things. You'll still be a GM. You'll still be a father, but just not a good one. You'll still be a husband, but with a dark heart. You'll still be a GM, but you'll be bitter. You won't be the IC champ. I am focused. It doesn't matter what roadblocks or people that try to come in to distract me. As you see, I simply run them over. Don't ask questions you're not ready to answer or ready for me to answer. Don't get up in your britches and feel like a tough guy just to get run over and make pointless arguments. Never mad when I'm laughing. Just checking my watch because it's time. You see, I know you don't have any fear. I know this. But what you should know is I don't have any remorse. I am a champion of saying fuck the world. And when I step on your neck and wipe your blood off and open that door and take my title, just know that the age of apocalypse is upon us. And hell just froze over.